We've got another fantastic delivery mileage only, 23 registered, Land Rover Defender 110. Now this is the X-Dynamic, but it is the HSE model. Absolutely top of the range with all the extras and then some. Now this car's finished in the Carpathian grey metallic, which is a wonderful extra, and it has the exterior black package, and it sits on the external upgrade 22-inch alloy wheels. So take a look around it. Available today, drive away today. Carpathian grey is a wonderful, wonderful colour. Now in this sunshine here in Wigan, you can see the fleck, the green, the gold, absolutely gorgeous. Now married to that is the external black package. Now that gives you the colour coding of all the exterior bodywork in high gloss black finish. Defender's decal is then in high gloss black finish. X-Dynamic is the one to go for. We then get the headlamp wash. Now the alloy wheels, they've been upgraded. You can upgrade them to the gloss black detail. Now this one externally also has the classic mud flaps and the black side steps as well. So metal side steps, privacy glass in the rear. We've got the Alpine windows. If you've not been round one of these new Defenders, I encourage you, come down to the showroom. We've got a couple in at the moment. We've got 90s and also 110s. They are quintessentially the best-selling four-wheel drive on the market at the moment. Land Rover cannot produce them fast enough. Now the HSE gets this rear tailgate spoiler. I do like that. Then the X-Dynamic has the toe sort of hoops on as well. Wonderfully large boot space in these. Panoramic opening glass sunroof. Load net, the whole shebang. Now this is obviously a brand new vehicle. Available today. There's no wait. You're not going to see it in 12 months. This can be on your drive tomorrow. Now, when we open the car up, we've got the keyless entry, obviously, and then this has the full black leather interior. We've got the Meridian surround sound system, but that opening panoramic roof just makes the car, obviously. All the details there, so we do have the heated steering wheel, we've got the heated seats, we've got the electric memory seats, the list goes on. In the rear there then, we've got the front and centre armrests, we've got the luxury overmats, we've got the reversing camera up in the mirror also, which is a lovely option, that. Parking sensors front and rear, you name it, these cars have got it. Electric steering column, blind spot monitoring, so there's a little flashing light in the mirror there. But again, keys are in my pocket, lock it up, beautiful, beautiful car. What more can I say? That's got to be one of the best specification HSEs available today at a wonderful, wonderful price. So if you've got a part exchange or you need finance, give us a call. I'm Graham. Don's there on the camera. But also I'm going to give a shout out here now to some of our younger YouTube followers, that Maisie and also Logan. A shout out to you. Thanks for watching our videos. Thanks for sharing our videos. We love a younger audience who like cars like me. I was one of those people when I was 15. Love cars. Yeah? And then you think 35 years later, here I am living the dream, selling cars to wonderful people. So if you've got any more info on it, give us a call. Shout out again to Maisie and to Logan. Share it with your friends if you like the video. But as for now, thanks for watching our video.